Are you one of those parents who's constantly worried about their child's writing skills? You know your child loves to read, you know your child has a lot of ideas, but when it comes down to writing it on paper, it's very difficult to even read what's been written. Or maybe there's no structure to what's been written. There are a lot of ideas, but it misses a flow. I totally understand what you're feeling, because that is something that's been missing big time in most of our schools. We do tell our children what is the format of each type of creative writing, but how are they supposed to even fill that format with creativity, with what is there in their minds? That's something we miss out on. And that is what I do with my Young Writers Workshop. I empower them with simple strategies that they can imbibe and they can use in their writing, and they can see their writing grow. And I have proven results for that. Let me show you some of them.
Have a look at some of these examples and please notice the before and the after. This is the journey of a few students.
That's the magic of these strategies, and they are so simple. This is something I've been doing for the last 2 years, specially curated and designed 10 sessions which are fun and interactive, and believe me, if the child is ready to commit to those 10 sessions, there is no stopping him for a brighter writing future. And this workshop is not just about writing skills, it's also about interpersonal skills. I only work with 10 kids for any batch of my Young Writers Workshop because my involvement with them, each one of them, is very intense. And their involvement with each other is equally intense. Believe me, it's going to be real fun, and whatever you see here is all a part of the workshops that we've had in the past. You don't need to worry anymore. The Young Writers Workshop can definitely help your child grow into a better writer, and it can definitely be a stepping stone for your child's better writing future. And I'm Nidhi, an educator who's worked in schools with children. I am working as a communication skills trainer and a life coach too, and I'm an author too. So what are you waiting for? All the details are given in the description with this particular video. You can please connect with me and get on a call and book a space for your child. Don't wait any longer because 10 seats will just go by. Thank you so much for watching, and please give your child that gift of finding that writer within him or her. See you soon. Bye-bye.